Hi, this is Ben Parojcic, your real estate sales professional, and welcome to your Real Estate Market in a Minute. Today, I want to talk to you about a real estate scam that's targeting home buyers, and it's a really serious scam because the scammers are getting away with tens of thousands, and in some cases, hundreds of thousands of dollars. What they're doing is they're basically hacking the emails or the email servers of title companies. And they're watching the emails and they're finding out who the customers are of the title company. Then, when it's time to close a transaction, the scammer poses as a title company and sends an email to the customer saying, "It's time to wire in your closing funds. Please wire those funds to such and such an account." And of course, they're the fraudster's account, which is usually an offshore account. And once the money hits that offshore account, U.S. banking officials can't recover it anymore. In addition, it's no longer FDIC insured, and the homeowner's bank or the home buyer's bank isn't responsible for it because the buyer did it willingly. They willingly sent the wire. So there's really no protection, and people are losing lots of money. That's what's making the scam so serious. But there are a couple things people can do. First of all, being aware of the scam is a huge leg up. And number two, being very vigilant. So when the title company sends an email saying it's time to wire in your closing funds, which is completely normal, make sure that you verify by voice that email. Call your escrow agent and ask them, "Did you send me this email? And are these the account numbers?" And read back those account numbers. That way you can be 100% sure that you're sending your closing funds to the proper account and not some fraudster's offshore account. I think these two steps alone will save a lot of heartache. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed your Real Estate Market in a Minute. If you did, remember to like and share. This is Ben Parojcic with ReMax Beyond 2000. I'll talk to you soon.